Hi, I'm somebody that you don't know. Buy my stuff. Here's a link. Click it. Why aren't you clicking this? I sent you a message. You should click it and buy my stuff. I've done all of these things. I don't know who you are, but you should buy my stuff. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about how to market your business on LinkedIn. My name is Bonitatibus, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. As you can tell from that first outtake, if you're on LinkedIn, you understand and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Where people send you random messages about why you should buy their stuff and clicking the link, that doesn't work. You know that it doesn't work, because you probably don't even read them. And if you do see it, you glance right over it. I've even reached out to people and asked them, does this even work? My curious mind, I want to know if it actually does work. And the truth of the matter is, it does not work. If you truly want to make a difference on LinkedIn and you're sending messages, a great thing to do is actually target who you want to talk to, look at their profile, look at specific things that they've posted, engaged with, and then reference it in that message. Show them that you actually want to talk to them, that you want to talk to them, not somebody else. You've done your homework. They are somebody you want to speak with. That's going to have such a greater impact in your direct messaging to people that maybe you don't know or haven't reached out to, or maybe somebody that you kind of know you haven't. Start the relationship. Don't just go, hey, buy my stuff, click this link. All right? Take some time and get to know them, start a conversation. You're gonna have a much greater return on your investment. Another mistake that I actually made myself is connecting with everyone. There's this thing called LinkedIn Open Network, also known as LION. And basically what it means is you'll connect with everyone and anyone. And I did that for a while, but I found out later that that actually hurts you just connecting with whoever will connect with you. Because what happens is, based on the algorithms, it's based on people that are engaging with you. So the more people that are following you, scrolling through your newsfeed and not engaging with your content, the less that people are going to see it. So you need to make sure that when you're connecting with people, one, you know who they are. If you know them, there's a high likelihood that they're going to engage with your content, see your content, like your content. That's a given. The second thing, if you don't know this person, make sure that there's somebody that you can work with, somebody that's within your industry, someone that could be a potential customer, or somebody that you could work with to leverage their audience. So if they have the same audience, they could be a good person to connect with. But you don't want to just connect with whoever you want just because you want to get more connections. It's not a good strategy. The algorithm doesn't like it. Make sure the people that you're connecting with are people that actually matter and actually are going to engage with your content. Another thing to consider when it comes to people engaging with your content is creating content yourself. I see so many times where people are just like, hey, there's a job, or hey, my company is great, this and that. Enough. Like, I understand that LinkedIn is great for jobs and it's an amazing resource for that material. But if you're trying to market your business, trying to create relationships, start by creating your own content that directly represents you and the organization you work for. Creating your own content is going to have such a greater impact than if you're just sharing other people's stuff. Another thing to consider is that you need to engage with other people, like and comment on other people's content. LinkedIn is aware of this. If you're just constantly posting on LinkedIn, but you're not actually engaging with other people, you will be penalized. So make sure that you're spending time actually engaging and communicating with other people. The way I always like to describe it, and this works for all social media sites, is that you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So the same thing should go with your online presence. You should be listening and engaging just as much, if less, than how much you are talking. It makes a huge impact. Everybody wants to get their stuff liked. Everyone wants to get stuff commented on. Do that for other people, and you're gonna stand out so much more engaging on other people's stuff than by you creating your own content. Give that a try. I hope that helps. Talk to you soon. If you like this video, click the link below to download my free ebook, Video Social 101.